Yeah, you know who it is now, know it. Yeah, see.
Oh no! Was she scared at first? Come on,
No, what are you? Oh! Oh, fuck. I fucking knew you brought that. Just stand like that. What's my arm? No shit. No shit.
Oh, that's brutal.
What was that? Bro! I can do Jimmy out of this thing, bro. It fucking stinks.
I need a big roar, guys. Roar!
Oh, you dad! What did I do? Ew. Why'd you do that?
I didn't put.
I'm gonna pop this thing.